Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Atlantic City. It's around 70 degrees. I think pretty nice weather. Recording at the end of March 2025. Some renovations on the building. They're replacing a sign, but the main sign of the casino resort hotel is still out here. As you can see, Ocean, not Oceans. There's definitely no S. People call it Oceans, but simply not the case. Different view, seeing the different levels and the rising building. Continuing to walk through, lots of art meant for Bet Ocean online casino. Unfortunately not sponsoring this video. Bet Ocean online casino, 100% match on your first deposit. Outside of an old surf shop here, the sign has really fallen apart over the years. Flying Point, surf and sport. Not anymore. Looks like it's boarded up to some extent here. Oakley, Maui Gym, Ray-Ban, and some more wall art. Got some many pools. There's an indoor and an outdoor pool inside Ocean. Various restaurants and eateries. Some playing card art on this side. Slot machines. Continuing, you can see various playing card art here. Hearts and spades. Go for the game. Go for the scene. Go for the late night at noon. Go for a view that goes on forever. And go for the stakes. Go for the steak. Get your swing on. Get your spot on. Go for the midnight dates. Go for the memories. Go to be a villain or a saint or a mermaid. Go to bed whenever you want or don't. Go to Ocean. Go for the win. Some dancing art here. Go for the dips. Show us your dip. And the word Ocean. Once again, the advertisement out here. It's really walkable outside. Nice day on the boardwalk. You can see the steel pier up ahead with the iconic Ferris wheel. Showboat close by. Showboat water park. Take another view of Ocean. You can see the building going up and the pearl or golf ball like design at the top. Some bikers passing by. So get another view here with the 360 cam. Get to see the outside from all around. Nice day in Atlantic City. Lots to see, lots to do, including the outside and the inside of Ocean Casino. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.